Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to memorize things quickly and easily. Some people ask me how I memorize my acting monologues. Sometimes it even takes me like 5 minutes to memorize some of those monologues that I do. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to, do that. You can even use this for school because I know it's back to school season. So yeah. Okay, tip number one, reading it over and over again. I'm not gonna lie, this is a tip that I use to memorize most of my acting scenes. I just like read it like over and over again, and it actually really helps me like memorizing it. I recommend reading it out loud because sometimes when you read stuff in your head, it gets like really confusing. So yeah. Okay, tip number two, write it down. Lots of people don't really like writing stuff down, but I'm not gonna lie, I do like writing. That's why I have my journal right here. I just like writing stuff, but like writing something that you need to remember down like over and over again can actually really help you remember it. I feel like writing is better than like typing it, because like when you're writing it, you're actually kind of like understanding it. And yeah, so you should write it down. Okay, tip number three, listen to it over and over again. If you have an iPhone, it comes with like the voice memos app, so you can like read whatever you need to like memorize and like record it on the voice memo. But you don't even have to record it on the voice memos. You can just like record on like your video camera what you need to memorize, and just like listen to that recording over and over again, if you understand what I mean. I feel like this might be easier than like reading it, having to read it like over and over again, so you can just like listen to it over and over again. I feel like this is also a really good method, because like we listen to like some of our like favorite songs over and over again, so that's why we know the lyrics. So I feel like this is a really good way to like memorize something. Okay, tip number four, sing it. I feel like we memorize like song lyrics like really easily because like we're singing it like over and over again, so why not use it when memorizing anything? So yeah. Okay, my last tip is to break it into parts. Here's an example of what I mean by that. When I'm memorizing like my acting monologue, like I break it into like sections, so I memorize like one section at a time, and then I just like put it like all together, and it actually really helps. So yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found some of these tips helpful. Anyways, thanks for watching, and keep up for more.